Welcome to the clinic here in Budapest. This clinic the team was established back 7 years ago. They established this facility for the simple reason of providing a good patient-centric, customer-centric experience for those who want to regain their hair, their youthful hairline. Here we have 5 doctors working actively on patients, on cases every day, every weekday. We have 6 assistants working together with the doctors who actively take care of the grafts of the hairs and of the sorting out of these hairs. The treatment is usually done within 1 or 2 days. These are done also for medical reasons, but for practical reasons as well. Depending on the amount of grafts to be taken, we want to minimize the intervention time, but also maximize the results, which is why we like to not do big operations in 1 day. So the larger 2-day operations to cover multiple zones will take 2 days. During this time, we use the FUE method, where we use different needles to extract the grafts, depending on the thickness, depending on their depending on depth. After which these are selected individually. The non-viable grafts are discarded. This, of course, ensures a better survivability, a better result. In the afternoon, we provide, we do the implantation. This is done with direct implantation. We use a needle. This minimizes trauma on the grafts and also on the patient's scalp, providing, in our experience, better results. Recently, we've had Danish patients arriving at our clinic. The treatment for these patients starts in Denmark with a local hair specialist who helps the patient and us as well in deciding the appropriate treatment. After which the patients take a short flight to the local airport in Budapest, from where they are taken personally to their hotel, and from their hotel afterwards to the clinic. We provide our services as well as lunch for our patient of his selection, and an escort back home. The patients, of course, have time to rest in their rooms, which is also something that we strongly advise. After which, of course, they are taken back to the airport, and they can go home and enjoy close follow-up from our doctors. This can, of course, be done personally or by photographs. So there's no need to necessarily come back to Budapest to have this control. We can do it remotely. We follow up closely for the first year after the implant.